So this is how you can receive money using your email or even your phone number on Wise. I'm gonna go ahead and open up the browser and then search up wise.com. So now that we're here, as you can see, you can go on ahead and register or open an account or just log in. But I'm just gonna go ahead and open an account, and then as you can see, it already asks me for my email address. So just simply sign up with that. And now it's going to ask you what kind of account you would like to open, either personal or business. If you want personal, you can go ahead and simply tap on it like so. And now choose your country. And then just simply tap on continue. So now it's going to ask you for your number. After it sends the code to your number, you can go on ahead and type it. And now I'm actually going to teach you how to receive money using that email account that we used. Simply go over to your profile and now tap on settings and then privacy and security. And as you can see at the bottom, there's this find me by button. Simply tap on that. And now you can go on ahead and tap on the email address button or the phone number button if you want them to find you by using either one of these. For example, if you want them to find you by using your email address, simply switch that on, and then they can go ahead and send money to your email, and it's going to go to your Wise account. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments down below if the tutorial worked or if you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye.